Today I'm going to show you 7 clothing pieces that make you look like a player, like a thot, like a hoe, like you for the streets, like a man with options. Let me explain why. Here's the thing, you already know men with options just get more options, and men with no play get no play. You want to know why? It's called social proof. See, when another female or various other females have already pre-selected you, more females are going to want you. This is why a lot of married men tell you once you're married, this is when other girls start hitting you on even more. Because other girls are going to start thinking, man, if that girl wants him, chances are this man has all the characteristics of a good boyfriend and or husband, and I want that too. So today, you're going to send that message of pre-selection with strategic clothing pieces that when women see them, they think you're just a dude with options. Let me explain. Let's hop into it. Number 1, the Chelsea boot. Matter of fact, rather than coming out of my mouth, watch this clip.
Yeah, like he's a thought.
Yeah. Oh, he's a thought. This is why I do these social experiments, so you can actually comprehend what goes through a woman's mind. I already understand what goes through a woman's mind. This is why I'm so easily able to teach you this stuff. But I want you to see it come out of their mouth. Bro, when you wear this boot, this is the go-to boot that every dude in Miami and every dude that goes out to a club pulls out because it's their dressy boot, especially the ones that are a problem, especially those that have options. Number 2, socks and slides. Look, I don't like it. I hate it. I think it looks lazy. But here's a reality. It also sends a message that you're a menace to society. Look, the truth is that when you wear socks and slides, you're sending 2 messages. 1, you just don't care. 2, you look athletic.
They don't look ugly, I'll say that. You know, usually they're more like athletic, or they're like go to the gym. You know, they go.
It's the athletic fit.
Right, it's the athletic fit. It's like he probably just came from practice, so in his bag is probably his real shoes. You know, like basketball shoes, and then he just walks around in that.
Okay.
So if you're gonna pull this look off, I'm gonna try to help you do it right. 1, never wear sandals. 2, cover the toes, so you do wanna wear socks if you do wear socks. Make sure they're matching socks, that they're not ripped, that they're not dirty, and that they're nice and clean. And finally, number 3, I like chunky slides, something that's a little sturdy and has structure. Usually designer slides do this better, but you can also try something like Yeezy slides, which are trending. Doing this will give you a similar effect. Number 3, gray sweatpants. Look, when you've been well endowed and you wear sweatpants, what happens? You print, my guy. And this is why women like to see dudes wearing gray sweatpants. Now, it's summer, so chances are you're not going to want to be wearing those gray sweats. So what does that mean? That means that you want to switch it up to shorts. Gray shorts have the same effect, but it's cooler. In other words, like cooler, like breezier. And you can wear it through the summer, and it actually does look cooler. You look pretty sick, especially if they're these. See, these are a thick, heavyweight fabric that we're dropping June 5th. It's coming in 4 colors for our new Essentials collection at 10 a.m. Eastern. And I'm telling you right now, our sweats always fly. Like, they move like this. But I made it better. See, I perfected the fit. I always have to perfect the fit. It fits so good that not only does it look good in this region, it looks good at the quad region. It's muscle enhancing, so when you throw them on, you really get to expose and show off the leg. Yo, you throw these on with an oversized tee, some simple sneakers, you got a clean fit you can always go out with. It's comfortable. And girls, they're gonna think you're a menace. Girls are gonna think you got options hitting you up on Snap all the time. You're gonna be the dude with a Snap score of 100,000 plus every time you throw these on, or at least that's what she's gonna think. Boys, this next launch for June 5th, I'm telling you, you're not gonna want to miss it. Every single piece was designed with one intention: making you look better, because that's all I care about. June 5th, 10 a.m. Eastern. Put a reminder on your phone right now, because I'm telling you, this stuff's gonna fly. You're gonna miss the best products. Number 4 is the baseball cap. The baseball cap, it gives me this type of vibe. And girls love this type of dude. Here's the thing. See, baseball caps have this tendency of making men look more mysterious. This mystery leads to a question like, yo, this dude, he probably has options. This dude is the type of dude that probably gets a lot of girls. On top of that, it makes you look better. See, if you wear the right baseball cap, it structures your face shape. And more importantly, if you have a bad hair day, you can hide that bad hair day, making you look better. These baseball caps are faded, which I personally like. We're dropping 2 colors this June 5th as well. This will be our first baseball cap, so once it sells out, we're probably not going to ever bring it back, kind of like the backpack. Number 5, Air Force Ones. As if I need to explain myself for this one. Like, come on, bro. Anybody that wears Air Force Ones, they got it like that. Number 6, ripped jeans, which equal all the ripped hearts that you've caused from ghosting girls in the past. See that ripped jean combo, especially with the Chelsea boots, that's a menace. That dude, he probably has girls hitting him up left and right, or at least that's what girls think. See, ripped jeans, think Harry Styles. Think this is a pretty boy. This is a dude that just gets it. And finally, number 7, wearing chains. Think about it this way. Back in the early 2000s, what were all the Chads wearing? Those what do they call it? Conch shell necklaces. Today, fast forward, we're still wearing chains, but now we've upgraded to just minimal little box chain necklaces, enough to draw the eye into the chest. You see a dude wearing a black tee and a minimal necklace, girls already know this dude, he probably has a snap score of 1,000,000 plus. This dude probably has a lot of girls, and that social proof, at least in their head, is gonna make them think, this dude, I want him for myself. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget, our new launch for Essentials comes June 5th at 10 a.m. Eastern. You're not going to want to miss it. That's it for me today. See you next time.